Victoria.
And I'm Jordan.
And we're cocoacollision.
And today we are going to be making made-to-scratch homemade Rice Krispie treats. It's Christmas themed too, because you know it's almost Christmas.
So we have our Rice Krispies, butter. Where'd you get this recipe from?
Well, it actually was, from what I can remember, a 6th grade science project for real.
Cream.
Marshmallow cream and frosted fetty is a word.
I didn't know this was frosting.
Yeah.
I thought this was just sprinkles.
No, it has, like, see, it's the green frosting.
I thought it was just sprinkles.
Yeah, I got it so we can make a Christmas themed Rice Krispie treats.
So we're not following anything on here.
No, we're not. We're going from my memory.
Well, we'll see how this turns out and we'll get back with you guys. Okay, so we're getting started. The first step is turn the stove on. Right. So how much butter are we using?
We're gonna use 2 sticks of butter. We're gonna melt the butter first, so let's do that. We are going to get the Rice Krispies ready.
Yes. These are open now. I know it smells good.
I know. You wanna taste some of that?
The butter?
No. Oh, yeah, sure. Taste the butter too.
Thing.
Oh yeah. Taste the butter. No, I mean some of the Jiffy Whip.
I hate the taste of marshmallows.
It's so weird because you hate the taste of marshmallows, but you like Rice Krispie treats.
Oh, Rice Krispies, no. It's different. It's like. Are we gonna put this in while it's like in the fridge, or?
Oh yeah, we're gonna put that on top. But now, but before we put it in the fridge,
it's
though.
green.
Yeah.
Okay.
Girl, is it?
I didn't know it was green. Okay.
Wait, turn it around to the label. Doesn't it look like it's green?
Oh no. Okay, but it says vanilla frosting.
I mean, no, it has green dye in it.
I know, but I'm thinking
Make it more
white.
festive.
I'm thinking it's white, not that it's green. So how much of this are we gonna use?
Use like half the box.
Half the box.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, you hear that snack crackle and pop?
Is that half?
Girl, no. I'm really bad at measurements.
I think more.
I don't know, wait, let's see what it gets us with the Jiffy Whip first. I guess I should have melted that a little bit too better too. Okay, I'm gonna need more cereal. See, this is gonna taste good. I can't wait for you to taste some of this.
The fire's off. Do you want to turn it back on?
I will in a minute. Ooh, that looks delicious. Okay, so we're definitely gonna need more of everything. So we might need more of that butter. Alright, cool. I'm definitely gonna need some more cereal. There we go, that's better. Oh yeah, it's gonna be yummy. All that butter. Alright, I'm gonna put a little more Jiffy Whip in here so we can eat. Is it like better now that it has like the butter and the, what's it?
Yeah,
okay. Now let me see. What do you guys think? I think it's good. Alright, let's put it in the pan now. Yeah. And then we're gonna put it in the ice box and then we'll put icing and stuff on it later. Ooh. Just kind of flatten it out and making sure it sticks together. And voila! Now we are going to put it in the ice box.
How long are we gonna leave it in there?
I want to say to like 30 minutes to an hour.
30 minutes or I
Yeah.
guess just until it's like firm.
Yeah, pretty much. Alright, peace out. Alright, so hi guys, welcome back. What we done is we made Rice Krispie treats.
It's kind of boring now, but
yeah. But you know, we made them with Crisp Rice cereal, Jiffy whipped marshmallow cream, or marshmallow cream, if you will, and butter. And so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make Christmas themed Rice Krispie treats. Basically, we're going to have a contest. It's gonna be timed. See who can make the best, you know, Christmas themed Christmas treats. Time. It's gonna be. We're gonna have 5 minutes to do this. So 5 minutes to basically decorate it with icing, sprinkles, and you know, make something, you know, Christmas themed, like a stocking or a snowman or a Christmas tree, or you know, something like, you know, something like that. So first,
I was thinking a snowman, and whoever can make the best snowman.
Okay, so you want to do snowman?
Yeah.
Do you want to do 3D snowman or you want to do 2D snowman?
Oh my god. A 2D.
2D? Oh,
just draw it. Well, if you can make yours look good,
okay,
then do it.
I'm gonna be a 3D.
Okay, I'm gonna be basic and I'm just gonna draw mine on there.
So let me cut the Rice Krispie treats so we have like enough.
And I'm gonna get started. I got some little baggies that we're just gonna put like the.
I hope this works because this is kind of like, maybe I won't be able to make 3D to be honest. Alright.
You might not even be able to get it out.
Yeah.
Try it.
Let's see.
Good thing the camera can't see the mess we're about to make.
Right. Oh, yes I can. Look. Oh, it's happening. Oh, snap. There we go. Put yours on your plate and put mine on my plate.
Green frosting.
Ugh. Ooh, it smells delicious. Taste that. You taste it? What?
It need to be colder.
It do need to be a little colder. But it's okay. We're gonna work with that.
Put it in the freezer.
Yeah. Goodbye, pan.
So we're gonna start putting the frosting in the little baggie so we can like, you know, cut like the little hole and squeeze out a design or something. So, get started with that. You know what we put this inside of there? So when you squeeze it out, like the icing comes, like the frost. What? The sprinkles come out with it. You know what I'm saying?
You don't even know what you're saying.
Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna change the camera around so you guys can see what we're doing and then we'll start the timer. Okay.
5.
So we have our timer. There's
5 minutes, guys. We got 5 minutes.
To see who can make the best like snowman. You go ahead and do your 3D thing. I'm gonna do.
I don't know because it don't look like it's gonna stick. We didn't. Maybe we didn't give it enough time to cool off, so maybe it won't stick as much. So maybe not. So yeah.
Yeah.
All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. We can't break it apart, right, with our fingers?
You can if you want to. Do whatever you want.
I am.
Yours is gonna be so nice. Oh, I didn't make mine big enough. Now it's gonna be weird. Mine's going through an awkward like stage.
Right. Like our teenagers.
Mine's going through like a midlife crisis already.
Oh dang. Not a midlife crisis.
I want to make like a little hat or something. Oh, yours is gonna be so good! Mine's is trash!
Victoria, what did you think I meant?
Mine?
What did you think I meant?
Why does mine have 4 circles? No, oh, I remember because this is supposed to be a hat.
Alright, time's up. I shoved it out of here. I'm sorry. You know, I'm just artsy. This is mine. This is Jordan's.
Oh, yours looks so good. Oh my god. It looks even better on camera. Okay, and here's mine.
Oh my god.
It looks like a mutant or something. Yours looks so good. I would have never thought to put like the arms with the icing.
I wanted to make a broomstick and a little top hat, but I ran out of room for the top hat and like I ran out of time for the broomstick.
Well, mine has a top hat. You can't tell. You can't tell what. Oh my god, it's falling. Okay, so now we're gonna taste it and see if it tastes good. I need a spoon. Same. I don't want to use my icing spoon though.
I don't want to use my hands, so I'm gonna use my icing spoon. A lot of icing. That's good. Yeah, it's good. It's just a lot of icing.
Well, you took a corner piece with all of the
I know.
icing on it.